Hello, this is Flights in Asia, and in this video, we'll be discussing the biggest story in aviation during the past week, which was the groundings of Airbus A350s by Hong Kong-based Cathay Pacific following an in-flight engine component failure. Following this incident, other airlines, especially those in the Asia Pacific with the Airbus A350s, have also conducted their own inspections on their A350 fleets. The incident that led to the grounding and inspections of Cathay Pacific's A350 fleet happened on the early morning hours, Hong Kong time, on Monday, September 2nd. That morning, Cathay Pacific Flight CX-383, a routine flight operated with an Airbus A350-1000, departed Hong Kong for Zurich, Switzerland. After departure from Hong Kong, the aircraft experienced an in-flight engine component failure, leading to the pilots deciding to turn back and return to Hong Kong. Following an initial investigation, it has been reported the flight experienced a leak in the fuel system, with a brief engine fire, which the crew were able to extinguish. And then Cathay Pacific would ground its fleet of 48 A350s and put those aircraft in question for inspection. Among them were the airline's 18 A350-1000s, the same aircraft involved in the incident, and the rest of the airline's A350 fleet, which includes 30 A350-900s. Upon the completion of the initial inspections, 15 of the aircraft were found with the engine parts in question, 6 of which undergone repairs, while the other 9 aircraft remained grounded until at least September 7 while waiting for the needed parts. While Cathay Pacific and Hong Kong officials launched their investigation into the incident, Cathay Pacific reported the cancellation of around 45 flights between September 3 and 7, including one long-haul flight, while the rest of the flights were to regional destinations. The aircraft involved in the Cathay Pacific flight incident were powered by 2 RollsRoyce Trent XWB-97 engines. In a statement, RollsRoyce confirmed that it has been dealing with other airlines, saying, quote, "As well as providing support and guidance to Cathay Pacific, RollsRoyce will also keep other airlines that operate Trent XWB-97 engines fully informed of any relevant developments as appropriate." As the week progressed, other airlines with the A350s in question were awaiting advice. Further guidance would eventually come from the European Union Aviation Safety Agency on September 5th when it issued a mandate for inspections on A350-1000s with the XWB-97 engines. According to the EASA, this mandate would affect 86 aircraft worldwide, and inspections would take place within 30 to 30 days depending on the time since maintenance work. In a statement, EASA Executive Director Florian Guillemet said, quote, "This action is a precautionary measure based on the information received from the initial investigation of the recent Cathay Pacific serious incident and on the airline's findings in its own subsequent inspections. We will continue to follow closely all information that will be made available through the ongoing safety investigation." As mentioned, the mandate for the inspections was issued on September 5, though there were some airlines that did not wait and initiated their own inspections independently. Among these airlines include Japan Airlines, which conducted its own inspections on its 5 A350-1000s, which were a recent addition to its fleet from earlier this year. While both airlines did not have the A350-1000s, Singapore Airlines started inspections of 64 of its A350-900s as a precaution, while Air China would conduct general checks on their A350-900s. It has been reported that Air China did cancel 4 domestic flights scheduled on September 4 using the A350-900s. Meanwhile, Malaysia Airlines did do their own inspections and found a potential issue with the A350-900 engines, the XWB-84s. In a statement, the airline said, quote, Malaysia Airlines Berhad confirms that its A350-900 Trent XWB-84 fleet recently underwent a precautionary inspection, during which a potential issue with high-pressure fuel hoses on one aircraft identified, though the airline added that its finding was resolved and the aircraft has since been cleared for service. Following the EASA mandate, two other airlines, Etihad and Qatar Airways, also conducted the inspections on their A350-1000s. So far, both airlines have not reported any problems with their aircraft. Following the incident on CX-383, while the problem has been a cause for concern for airlines, for the most part, airlines have been able to maintain their operations with their A350 aircraft in question and minimize any flight disruptions. That's all for now. I definitely hope you enjoyed this video. This has been Flights in Asia. Thank you for watching and have a great day.